Medical Minute, sponsored by Avera.
Well, don't we know it? The weather is getting consistently cooler and common illnesses will become more prevalent.
I spoke with an Avera family medicine doctor about some misconceptions and some things we need to know about. Dr. Dimitri Skler is joining us today, and we're talking a little bit about immunity boosters and taking vitamins. Do those really help prevent sickness?
Well, let's consider vitamin C, for example. A lot of times this time of year, people are loading up on the vitamin C in hopes to prevent some sickness and disease, and the evidence, Sam, doesn't support that it will prevent you from getting sick. Now, on the other hand, the National Institute of Health showed that vitamin C is a good antioxidant which can help fight inflammation in the body. But you'll see some patients also consider taking immunity boosters or other vitamins in hopes of being proactive and preventing the spread of illness and disease. And again, there's no evidence to support that that's the case.
Is there still a place for supplements and boosters? Does that still weigh into any of those decisions?
Yeah, okay. Well, let's take, for example, vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Those are really good supplements to take. However, they do help with digestion and breaking down of food for energy, and they do help your immune system. However, only if you're deficient in those vitamins. If you're not deficient, then you're just taking excess and it's just being excreted. So I think supplements are just that. They're a supplement to a diet that's deficient in those vitamins. So it's important to eat a well-balanced diet, so you don't need to take those. And if you do take these supplements, it's good to tell your doctor about which ones you're taking and how much.
If you're not into supplements anyways, and hopefully you're looking for some natural immunity, what are some ways to boost that in a natural way?
Excellent question, because the natural immunity boosters are eating a well-balanced diet. So eating plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, that will get you your minerals and your vitamins that your body needs to help your immune system. Another thing that we can do is exercise. Getting moderate exercise, 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, will help increase your immunity. In fact, it can help increase white blood cell production so we can fight infections. And lastly, getting good sleep. Sleep is so important. In fact, if you get 7 or 8 hours of sleep on a consistent basis, this really helps your immune system and it helps your body prepare to fight infection. And if in some instances you only get 4 hours of sleep, some evidence shows that it causes inflammation, or it doesn't help fight the inflammation in the body or fight infection.
Are there some other natural everyday things to prevent sickness that maybe we overlook here and there?
Oftentimes, hand washing is a big one. Masking up when we need to, or quarantined when appropriate. But also, I think it's very important that you follow up with your primary provider to have an annual health screening, because they know your health history, they know your family's health history, and so your primary provider can order the lab tests necessary to find out if there are any deficiencies that you're facing that you don't know about. So this is a good way to live a longer, happier, healthier life by eating right, seeing your primary provider, and asking about vaccines. Which ones are right for you, especially this time of year?
For more information on immune boosters, vitamins, and your health, visit avera.org/medicalminute. We'll be right back.